Hey, hi. We've got results of Global Bazaar. Certain surveys were conducted from through an internet panel and certain other customer purchase details. We've got some results. So this case is basically about interpreting those results. Global Bazaar has a consumer base of five different categories, which includes singles from 18 to 25, singles from 26 to 40, married people from 18 to 25, married people from 25 to 40, and married people over 40. The first question is that which segment produces the largest percentage of sales? It's pretty obvious from the data that it is married couples between ages 26 and 40. What more details can you got from this is that when you analyze the particular segment, you find out that about 90% of the people who are married between ages 26 and 40 tend to be white. So that is the information you can get. And you can see across all of the segments, this segment poses the most number of people with a college education. Second question is which segment does Global have the highest top of mind awareness? It says married over 40. I believe that there is not much difference between married 25 to 40 and married 40. So these two segments can have the most top of the mind awareness. So you can see that people who have been married and over age of 25 have a higher top of the mind awareness of the brand. So which two segments account for 60% of sales? I've done a small Pareto analysis. I've not done a perfect Pareto analysis, but I've tried. So you could see that married 18 to 40, that's 18 to 25 and 28 to 40, they hold 60% of the sales. So all these details gives us certain inputs which we could use for question 4 and 5. So you see that it's positioned in such a way that married people with no kids under the age of 23 frequent these places. So the segment which obviously performs lowest is unmarried singles aged 18 to 25, followed by unmarried singles of 25 to 40. The dimensions include they have lower income, young children, and so which directly translates to low brand image or lower sales. So I think the Global Bazaar is not positioned for kids and it is at the higher end of the market. So based on these results, what advice would I give? Obviously we have to target singles and kids so that the parents have an easy atmosphere to shop when they are in Global Bazaar. And one more interesting fact that we saw is the percentage of sales go down drastically in married people over 40. So it's not that someone who says he's 40 and decides to stop shopping. So that segment has to be probed and found out from which age the action to the shopping decreases more significantly, and that is one of the key sectors of Global Bazaar. And it's an aging demographic which would become more than 40. So they should find out how they can attract more of these customers to increase their sales. Thank you. I'll look forward for your questions.